Good morning. My name is Aynaddis. I'm a Dynamics 365 Power Plant consultant. It is my new skill. I love it. I really enjoy working with the Power Platform. I'm working now on a track incoming consultant issue. In the console, it's a small retail business. It has 2 store locations in Minneapolis. It's a very variety of goods. Console goods is in general provide their business process, enhance customer and employee experience, and increase SL. A scenario, it says track incoming customer issue, ticket, capture who is making the request, category of requests, and detail about their issue. Automatic notice the customer update to their tickets and escalated to manager if a ticket is open for too long. Reports on a ticket trades area of repeat concern, performance of customer service agent, and other important things to present for the manager. The solution provides audits, customer service performance, customer case follow-up, especially uniform support, decrease line agents overload, reduce unnecessary steps. Approaching methods are used, understanding the current business process, identify the system problem, the progress, especially the progress being made towards our goal, and creating a project plan. When I prefer this one, I use the Power Platform tools because it's any company they can get access a Power Automate and SharePoint, Microsoft list. So I prefer this one doing this problems. So the flow it look like this. Any customer they request, they send email. It's the email automatically changes to case, but the customer calls the phone, the person that create manually, they put in the SharePoint, then the flow, the process goes by Power Automate. Then any update is happened, is the customer getting notification, and also the person working also get the notification. And when it comes to PowerApps, we can access from PowerApps too. We can put data from SharePoint. We can put data from PowerApps too. There is another option there. So when you see the flow, this one is before this. This one is a SharePoint. We can create for the folder in the SharePoint, the list, like the title, ID, priority. We create this one. Then we can add when you get the phone call, we create the cases from here. This is the list how to create it. This one is updated from Power Platform, Power Automate. Okay. Go back. Sorry. This one, the ticket is how created. Then in this one we can see in the Power Automate. We can fill in the Power Automate. We can fill in the SharePoint too. This one, the one we filled in the SharePoint. Then when you get this one, a new email arrived in a shared box. I created in the SharePoint, there is a shared mailbox. Then the email comes from any customer, they're storing the shared mailbox. Then I call from Power Automate. Then in the Power Automate, they create automatically the case. But the person is calling in the phone, the one working on the office, they create the case. This one, when somebody is assigned the case, This one I will show you in the physically. It's better to that one. This one, if there is a due date and there's a targeted date, the due date is less than to the targeted date, the manager gets automatically email, and also the customer also updated. This one, when you go see Power BI, then I have to update my Power BI. When I see in my workspace, that one is not updated, I used the Power Automate to update my Power BI. This one, this is a SharePoint. We can create in the SharePoint the table. Then if we got it in a phone, we can create, we can say new, then we fill everything is here, title, cases, email sender, everything, we fill this one, then they create work, the case ID. Then the one it said automatically the email. This one, somebody is sending email with this Power Automate is generated immediately the case. Let's send an email. I send email, let's say invoice is not issued. This one, I will send it this one. We have to see this one, it should be created the case. This one is okay. So we go to here and we see the case is created or not. You see here invoice is not issued, but it's not assigned. It's not assigned, so I go to and I assign this one. This one, it's a title there, is a status, not assigned, assigned. Even if it's unassigned, I forget unassigned, but I assigned a person. The person it doesn't get in his team list. Data assigned priorities normal is assigned to. Assigned to Aynaddis, but Aynaddis, but I didn't change the status. Then I said saved. So now I go there and to my textbooks, I didn't see because in my list it should be fulfill case status and the assigned person. So this one, the automate, if somebody is forgetting the case status, but the assigned the person is go to the automate. I create a Power Automate that's work. That one works by automate case data. Here is the update that's item is created and modified, but here assigned, the person is assigned, but the case status is not assigned, so the Power Automate is automatically assigned. This one is warning, is no problem, just we can run it. We go to SharePoint. You see here assigned. Now I go to my list. I got this one in my list. So it's also the same thing. It's the due date. The due date is greater less than to the targeted date. The manager is got email. Okay, so to go to Power Automate. Finish Power Automate. You can use PowerApp too. I can use from here, I can change. I can see the tickets. I can assign a person to here. One more thing is for Power BI. We can go to Power BI. You go to my work list. I can create in my work list. I can do this one. This one is not updated, so I can create Power Automate to update this one too. Or we can go immediately from SharePoint. SharePoint here. You can go. Here we go. You can see the Power Automate here too. Power BI. There you can change. You can see which one is the manager. They can change from here. You can see everything. That's it. Thank you.